We are lucky enough to be one of 3 farms in Ireland that make their own organic butter and sell it. So today I'm gonna show you the process of how we do it. So it all starts in our little butter churn. This is really rich, creamy. That's double cream. Into the butter churn. And we've done nothing to this. We literally just separated it from the cow's milk, and it comes out that rich and golden colour, and that's what makes our rich and golden Jersey butter. So then we just need to put the lid on, and then magic button to turn it on. We've been churning the cream for a while now, so it's nearly at the butter stage. So that's the whipped cream stage there. So we're going to keep on going. So it's thickened nicely, but we're going to keep on going now until we get to the butter stage. And you could do this at home with your own Kenwood. You just have to be very careful because the next stage is going to get messy. Instead of that kind of creamy whipped sound we had going around, there's a sloshing, and that means that the fat, the butter fat, has separated away from the water element of the cream. And what we have now is buttermilk and butter in here. Now we have to drain off all the buttermilk, but I'll show you what we're at, and you can see the difference compared to last time. Starting to look almost exactly like butter. So there's buttermilk at the bottom, which is the watery stuff. We drain that away, and then we keep adding cold water to it until the butter element firms up a bit more, and then the water runs clear. You don't want any buttermilk left in it because that will make your butter go off much more quickly. It's literally rinse and repeat until this runs clear. The interesting thing about buttermilk is that we just think of using it to make soda bread or scones now, but say when my granny was young, they actually used to drink buttermilk. They never drank milk, even though they were milking cows, because the milk was so valuable. They were selling that back to the creamery, and what they'd get back for free was buttermilk, and they were able to drink that. So buttermilk has lots of probiotics in it. It's very good for you, but it's nearly treated as a waste product now. So we just sprinkle in a bit of natural sea salt. We just like it lightly salted. We'll churn it around one more time. And our butter is done. We want to make sure that we don't leave a scrap behind. So you want to give it one last squeeze, make sure that there's as little buttermilk left as possible. And there we go. The colour of your butter really depends on how much grass your cows are getting. So even now, our butter is only going to get more golden because at the minute the cows are eating a little bit of silage, just fermented grass, because it's still winter time. I love the natural process of it. I love that we have a product that's changing slightly with the seasons and it reacts to the cow's milk. 0 chemicals, 0 pesticides, 0 genetically modified feed. Just 100% grass, the way it should be.
Lovely Jersey butter, nothing like it. It's so creamy and it spreads so beautifully from the fridge. You actually don't need a lot. It's a beautiful texture and a beautiful colour. It's beautiful. Takes me back to my childhood when we were moving out.